You were just throwing a fit at a boy. Do you even know what about? What are you throwing a fit about? Oh, you're so drama. Oh, so drama. Oh. What are you doing a bit about, huh? Oh, you don't even know. You don't. You don't. You were just upset. Oh. What is that? What is that? Oh, hiccups.